Every railway track begins its life far from the rails. Millions of old cars are pulled from silence back into purpose. Each vehicle is logged, measured, and prepared. Nothing enters the furnace unclean.
Danger is separated before steel can move on.
The heart of the machine is claimed first.
Steel begins to break free. Force reduces complexity to raw material. The journey now becomes industrial. Only pure steel moves forward. Precision begins long before melting. From scrapyards, steel prepares to move. Once prepared, steel leaves the yard.
Every ton is locked down for the journey.
The road connects waste to industry. Steel travels where transformation awaits. The factory rises before them. Every load is accounted for. Weight conforms value. Raw steel reaches its destination.
The factory takes control.
Gravity feeds the process. Steel moves into transformation. This is where scrap becomes structure. Transformation demands scale. This is the threshold of industry.
Movement never stops.
Human precision guides heavy machines. Inside, steel begins to obey.
Every movement is measured.
Size is reduced for control. Clean air protects precision. Steel is washed of its past. Nothing is wasted. Alignment ensures continuity. The factory is ready to reshape steel. Before shaping, steel must be pure. Unwanted fragments fall away.
Human eyes catch what machines miss.
Steel must enter dry.
Only the right steel proceeds. Strength begins with purity. Only qualified steel moves forward.
Uniformity controls the melt.
Safety guards every stage. Steel waits its turn. Precision feeds power. Steel approaches its rebirth.
Here, solid steel surrenders. Heat consumes history.
Nothing escapes the fire.
Metal becomes liquid will.
Chemistry defines endurance.
Impurities are lifted away.
Only strength remains.
Data commands the fire.
The release approaches.
Steel flows toward its future.
Liquid steel is guided with care.
The shape of steel is about to change. Liquid steel meets its first shape.
Heat is pulled away, strength remains.
Precision begins with alignment. Steel moves while still alive with heat.
Temperature is everything.
Force demands form. The rail takes shape.
Accuracy is enforced instantly. Cooling locks the structure.
Patience creates durability.
Imperfection is corrected.
The rail is formed, but not finished. Automation brings consistency to scale.
Machines correct in milliseconds.
Surface preparation ensures longevity.
Nothing unwanted remains.
hidden weaknesses are exposed.
Every rail carries its identity. Precision is verified again.
Exact lengths matter on the line.
Ends are shaped for connection.
Speed meets control.
The factory sees everything.
Automation, hands off to perfection. Automation, hands off to perfection.
Smoothness defines performance.
Microns matter on steel.
Friction is engineered away.
Straightness is confirmed.
Internal tension is neutralized.
Dimensions are locked in.
Edges are refined. Protection extends service life.
Time seals the surface.
Human approval still matters.
Identity is verified.
Now, steel must prove itself.
What can't be seen is still tested.
Steel reveals its truth.
Strength is proven under force.
Hardness defines lifespan.
Steel is studded. Steel is studded at its core.
Inside the metal lies the answer.
Chemistry confirms reliability.
Steel must endure the unexpected.
Standards are non-negotiable.
Certification unlocks movement.
This rail is cleared.
The rail is ready for the world.
Rails gather before their journey begins. Heavy machinery orchestrates order.
Storage is precise and organized.
Next pallet is ready.
Okay, moving it now.
Every rail is traceable.
The factory prepares its outbound journey.
Rails begin their journey to the tracks. Distribution spreads across networks.
Steel leaves the factory walls.
Rails move toward their final purpose.